We'll guide you through how to make and create a text box in a Word document. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Word. So text boxes are really convenient because they're going to allow you to go and have a box of text across your document. So you need to come to the top header and ribbon in Word, and you need to go and find the option for Insert, and you can go and click there. Now you need to go and find the option for text box. So come over to the right, go and click on text box like so. You can go and choose one of these default ones, but I like to go and draw them. So you can press draw text box at the bottom. Now you can click, hold and drag and go and start drawing out the text box. Then you can release. And as you can see here, it is. Then you can come and press home and you can go and choose the size, the font, etc. So I can go and type in, you can go and use the corner points and side points by clicking, holding and dragging them, and you can adjust them like so. And what you can then do is you can come with it selected and press shape format. You can go and choose to fill if you want it to go and be a certain color. And you can also go and remove the outline if you want as well. And you can add some different effects if you wanted to as well.